Don't talk about your educational qualifications. Why? Because it is already mentioned in your resume. Good evening, students. Today, I will be teaching you a topic, a very interesting topic in mathematics, and that is start. Okay. Would you please introduce yourself to me?
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Madhapatal Vishala Lakshmi. I'm basically from Visakhapatnam, currently residing in Rajahmundry. I completed BTech from Specialist Engineering College for Women in the year of 2013. I have 2 years of experience in teaching. I worked as a mathematics teacher in KKR Gautam School for 2 years. And I am a housewife, and I wanted to restart my career in good organization. And I always wanted to be a teacher to impart knowledge and guidance to students. And my hobbies are solving reasoning questions and singing. And my strengths are I'm a hard worker, I'm a quick learner, and I'm a self-motivated. And my short-term goal is to get a job in reputed company like yours. My long-term goal is to settle down in a good organization in respectable position. That's all about me, ma'am.
Good. Okay. So, could you please tell me something about Byju's? Who is the owner and founder of Byju's?
Um, Byju is the one of the leading and multinational company. Byju is founded in 2011, ma'am, and founder of Byju's is Byju's Ravindran.
And the co-founder?
Co-founder, I don't know.
Again, this year repeating the same thing. If they'll ask you about the co-founder, so just don't smile. Just say sorry, ma'am. Right now, I do not know. Right. Once I'm selected, I'll make sure I have all the knowledge of the content.
Okay, ma'am.
And the co-founder is Divya Gokulnath. Write it down somewhere.
Divya Gokul.
Yes, Divya Gokulnath.
Divya Gokul.
Okay. Second,
Okay, ma'am.
I'm giving you feedback because since you already have an interview at 8 at night, right? So your introduction is absolutely correct. You just have to be slow with the introduction. Slow in the sense, just cut short. Make it short. Don't talk about your educational qualifications. Why? Because it is already mentioned in your resume.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Because the HR wants to know something apart from your resume. Things which are already mentioned in your resume, don't talk about them.
Okay.
Okay. Whether you are married, whether you are not married, don't talk about your marriage. Suppose if someone asks me to introduce yourself, a very good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Mrs. 𝐭𝐲𝐤 and I am from Srinagar, Garhwal. It's a small town in the valley of hills of Uttarakhand. If I talk about my education qualifications, I have studied from all girls residential school. Right, I'm a graduate and a postgraduate in psychology from University of Delhi and HNB Garhwal University. If I talk about my hobbies, I love to interact with people, listen to their needs, and if I could be of any help to them. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so your introduction has to be very short and precise.
Okay.
Everything was good. You were confident also. Just in case, suppose you do not know any answer, don't look up.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. When we look up, according to psychology, it indicates that we are recalling something which we do not know.
Okay.
Right. So just be in eye contact with the HR. Do not look up, and I assure you, in today's interview, you will be selected. Do not worry about that because I can see the change in you. Right. While giving introduction, smile on face.
Okay.
Suppose you do not know any answer, what do you have to do? Just sit quietly. Say, ma'am, I do not know this answer. I apologize. But once I'm selected, I'll make sure I have knowledge. I have knowledge of all the content. Okay. Okay. So, can you tell me latest news about Byju's?
Byju's. Latest news about Byju's. Byju's leads us here. Byju's leads us here.
The latest news about Byju's is acquired. You know, Akash Institute. You must have heard about Akash Institute.
Yes, ma'am. Byju's acquired Akash Institute, and Byju's acquired a US-based coding platform, Thinker, in stock and cash deal, ma'am.
Yeah, and Byju's is also
leads us
third. Byju's also sponsored FIFA World Cup. Right?
byjus also sponsored FIFA World Cup.
Sponsor. Yeah. Just talk about two qualities. One, just talk about Byju's sponsored FIFA World Cup. Second, tell that Byju's has already acquired Akash Institute.
Okay.
Right?
byjus also acquired by Akash Institute.
Tell me some competitors of Byju's.
An academy, Focus Edumatics. I know two.
Vedantu, note it down. Note it down. Vedantu, extra marks. Vedantu, extra marks. Physics Wallah. Upgrade. Yeah. And which company has Byju's acquired?
16 companies byjus acquired, ma'am. They are Topper, Whitehead Junior, Akash,
Grade up.
Grade up. Whitehead Junior.
Now what you have to do is you have to explain any topic of mathematics to me, right?
Okay.
For 6 to 7 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Today I'm going to telling about pair of linear equation in two variables.
Okay, now before you start, what you have to do is you have to do rapport formation. Now, what is rapport formation in psychology? It is, suppose any new teacher, give me a moment. Suppose any new teacher comes to the class, right? When new teacher comes to class, what the teacher does? She tries to form rapport with the student. Yeah,
Okay,
that is why the student will listen to the teacher. So just say, whether it's good evening, right? You have your interview at night. Good evening, ma'am, or good evening, students. Today I will be teaching you a topic, a very interesting topic in mathematics, and that is start. Go for it. Okay. Start.
Good evening, ma'am. Today I am going to telling one interesting topic, pair of linear equations in two variables. Here is the topic. Ma'am, it is visible. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay. For understanding this, I take an example. I went to shop and I brought one apple and one mango for one mango. The shopkeeper charged me 12 rupees for that. Since I know and I was coming home and I'm thinking what is the individual prices of apple and mango. Since I don't know the individual prices of apple and mango, then I assume the values of the prices of apple and mango is x and y. Here it is, x and y, which sums 12. Here I got total expense x plus y equals to 12. Okay. Here whatever may be the values x and y, it sums to 12. Okay. Now I am assuming.
Put it this way and then explain. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Great.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Here x and y. Here x plus y equals to 12. Here total expense we got here is 12. Okay. Now we don't know the values of x and y. I am assuming many values here to give us some 12. Now I'm assuming cost of the apple is 3 rupees and cost of apple is 9 rupees, which gives the sums 12. Again, I am assuming cost of apple is 4 and cost of mango is to be 8 and gives 12 rupees. And I am assuming cost of apple is 5 and cost of mango has to be 7. It gives 12. And I'm keep changing the values, and here the values of x and y keeps varying time to time. So the varying values are called variables. The value for X and Y varying from time to time. It's called variables. Okay. You are saying here equals to symbol over here. Here x and x plus 5 right hand side and 12 is left hand side. These both two are equal. Then it is called an equation. It is called an equation. Here we have an equation x plus y equals to 12. Now look at the powers of that equation. Here x power is raised to 1 and y power is raised to 1. In equation where the powers of variables of the in equation where the powers of where powers of the variable is 1, that equation called linear equation. Here power is raised to 1, here power is raised to 1. Okay, this is called linear equation and this gives a straight line. How did you know this gives a straight line? Okay, by using, how did you know how this gives a straight line? By to understand this, you need to know by helping of these points 3, 9 and 4 and 8, 5 and 7, we need to draw one graph. Here is the graph. Here is the points. Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. First point 3, 9. So x-axis is 3 and y-axis is 9. Here look at this. Here 3 and y-axis is 9. So you have to put point here. Okay. And again, the x-axis point is 4 and y-axis point is 8. Again, where is the 4? We need to check on x-axis. Here is the 4 and y-axis is 12. Y-axis is 8. And again, x is 5. The value on y is 7. So 5:7. So now you have to join these points. It gives straight line. Now I'm joining this point. It gives a straight line. Okay. Now I send my brother to shop and he brought 2 apples and 1 mango, which cost 17 rupees. 2x plus 5. By assuming the values x equals to y and y equals to 7, we got. By assuming x equals to 4, so y value is 7. By assuming x equals to 6, we got y value is 5. Now I am drawing these values on this graph paper again. So x equals to 5, y equals to 7.
What happens when we draw the values on graph paper? Why do we do that?
Ma'am?
Why are we drawing the values on a graph paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
To know that it's a straight line or not.
Okay.
These lines are intersecting or not, ma'am. If by using graphical method, we know these 2 lines are intersecting lines, or parallel lines, or coincidence lines, we should know that. That is why we are drawing this. So, ma'am, here also we are taking 0.5, x equals to 5 and y equals to 7. And again, x equals to 4, y equals to 11. And x equals to 6, y equals to 5. Now I am joining these lines, these points 1, 2, 3. Now look at this graph. These 2 lines are intersect each other at the point of 5, 7. Look at this. This point is 5, 7. Here the value of x is 5. Here the value of y is 7. What I told you before, what I assumed, price of apple is x, price of mango is y. From this point of intersection of graphs, I can tell that by using graphs, I found here the prices. Here, the price of mango is 5 and the price of mango is 7. So from this, we calculated the value.
The price of apple and the price of mango, right?
Yes, ma'am. Apple price is 5.
You said price of mango is 5 and price of mango is again the same.
Okay, ma'am. Price of apple is 5 and price of mango is 7. Yes, ma'am. These two lines are intersecting line. This method is called graphical method. In pair of linear equations, sorry ma'am, I forgot to tell about this. When we are dealing with two linear equations in two variables, when we are dealing with such two equations is called pair of linear equations, and these two pair of linear equations gives two straight lines.
This is the reason why I told you why I'm using the graph.
I forgot to tell about this, ma'am. I forgot to tell about this, ma'am.
No, what do you do when you will be asked to give a demo session? What you do is ask someone to take hold of the camera of your phone, and it is better when you will just from the camera you will mention in your notebook whatever book you are using. That would be better, I suppose, because while you're doing this, no, so it is not clear because while you do this, you're not able to see properly, right?
Ma'am, I have whiteboard also. It's easy
Make
to
use of that. Yes, why don't you do that? Make use of that. I thought you do not have whiteboard. If you have
I have
whiteboard,
whiteboard, ma'am.
if you have whiteboard,
Yes, ma'am, I have whiteboard.
It will put impact. That is important.
Okay, ma'am, I'll explain in Zoom, ma'am.
Yeah, in your real interview, make sure that you use the whiteboard, because what happens, set your phone in such a way that the whiteboard is clearly visible. As you can see the photograph, no? Similarly, set your phone in such a way that the whiteboard is visible, and then you mention on the whiteboard. Okay.
Okay.
And while you will explain, don't say, ma'am, is it visible? Is it visible? Just for once you check it yourself, whether you are visible or not on the whiteboard, and then you start your interview. Okay. Yeah. Apart from this, maybe know why should we hire you?
I have the required skill being a mathematics teacher, and I need the platform where I can show my abilities and skills and improve my skills. And Byju is the best platform.
I need a platform where I'll get an opportunity. Skills you are using 2 times. I need a platform. See, it is looking as if you have learned it from somewhere and then you're speaking. There has to be natural thing on your face. Suppose someone asks me, Ayushi, why should we hire you? I'm audible to you. First, tell me that.
Yes, ma'am.
Someone will ask, Ayushi, why should we hire you? In that case, be really cool. Don't think that you're learning something or you're recalling something. Just say, ma'am, I have the required skills and I'm in need of the platform where I'll get an opportunity to showcase my skills. And I think Byju's is one of the desired platform.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, start. Why should we hire you?
I have the required skills as a mathematics teacher. I needed the platform to showcase my.
I need a platform where write it down somewhere.
I needed the platform.
I have the required skills. I am in need of a platform. I need not. I am in need of a platform.
I am in need of a platform.
Of a platform.
Yes, ma'am.
I am in need of a platform where I will get an opportunity.
Where I will get an opportunity
to showcase my skills.
To showcase my skills.
See, that means you have already told I have the required skills. I need a platform where I'll get an opportunity to showcase my skills. Correct?
Okay.
Repeat that. Repeat that. Whatever I have made you written.
I needed the platform.
No. I am in need of a platform.
I am in need of a platform where I will get an opportunity to showcase my skills.
Yes.
I needed
already
a platform where
no. Usse pehle you have to speak. I already have the skills. See, being a mathematics teacher, I already have the desired skills. I only need a platform where I'll get an opportunity to showcase my skills. Hmm. Yeah.
I have a required skills. I am in need of a platform where I get a opportunity to showcase my skills.
See, right now, after the interview is over, go through this.
Okay, ma'am.
Practice it again, write it down, practice it again and again, because right now it is looking as if you have learned it from somewhere. That natural thing is not, it's not looking, it's natural. It's not coming natural, no? Okay, so learn it, and then write, and then speak. Okay. Now, can you please talk about your strength and why are you of benefit to Byju's? What qualities do you have which makes you suitable candidate for Byju's?
First of all, I am passionate about teaching and I'm a quick learner. And I will tell every question or everything very easily to students. I can teach transparently and adaptively.
Talk about your strength. They are asking the qualities, right? So, ma'am, very first quality is patient. I'm a patient listener. I have loads of patience, active listener, confident, good communication skills. These are the qualities. Very important is you are very patient. You are very patient. You have patience. Okay, right? So talk about your strength. Fine.
Ma'am, can you tell me again? Patience, good communication skills.
Write it down. Write it down. Yeah. Patience.
Patience.
Confidence.
Confidence.
Active listener.
Active listener.
Mm,
Good
Good
communication.
skills. Yes. Ability to do problem solving.
Ability to do problem solving.
That's it. 5 points are enough.
Ma'am, good knowledge in mathematics.
You are a mathematics teacher. You will be having good knowledge of maths. That is obvious. Okay. Yeah. That's it. I think they'll ask you more of this question. See, you'll get to know automatically. If the HR is interested in you, right? So automatically the HR will not run with you. She will conduct your interview in a proper manner. Okay? If the HR is not sure of you, then HR will run with your interview. So you will get to know. Right? You just have to you from scale between 1 to 10. Earlier you were ranking somewhere between 4.5 or 5. Now you are in the category of 7.5. Right? What you have to do is you have already gone through whatever instruction I gave you. You were really slow this time. Earlier you were running. Right now you are really slow. Now when you will give the demo session, give on the whiteboard. Okay.
And on whiteboard, ma'am.
Make sure you give on the whiteboard properly. Fine.
Okay.
Second, what was I telling you? Don't forget, while you're explaining, explain everything in detail. Don't say, sorry, ma'am, I forgot to tell you this. Sorry, ma'am, I forgot to tell you this. No. Because while conducting an interview, mock interview, you can say sorry. But real interview, sorry will not work. Right? Yeah. And that's an introduction made. Don't talk about your educational qualifications because it is already mentioned in your resume.
Okay.
Don't talk. I don't think you talk about short-term goal, long-term goal, because even if you want to talk, you can talk, but really make it very short and precise. The HR wants to know something which is not mentioned in your resume.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Any other questions you have in mind?
Ma'am, I haven't prepared for triangles and circles, ma'am. They will ask the questions about that, and question and answer round, last round.
I think they will ask you general question. Just go and prepare general question. And even in case you do not know any answer, they might ask you. Yes, they will ask you. And if you do not know any answer, just say, "Ma'am, I right now because there was a long gap, I have not prepared for it. But once I'm selected, I'll make sure I have everything in my mind."
Okay, ma'am.
And prepare for triangles. You have time right now. You have 2 hours at least. Prepare for that.
Okay.
2.5 hours.
Okay.
Right.
Ma'am, I'm visible, ma'am. I'm using mobile net, that is why.
Yes, you are visible.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Vikasa, you want to add something?
No, Ayush, you have given all the question and answers. Like,
Mrs. Vishala, you have something in mind? You can ask.
Nothing, ma'am. I have prepared, ma'am, for in mathematics, ma'am. Every topic I have prepared, ma'am. But I'm not good in English. That is why I am somewhat in.
You can tell them that, ma'am, I'm not good at English, but still I'm trying my level best. Right? To give an interview in that. You can tell
I'm a
that.
little bit nervous, ma'am, because of that English. I have knowledge on, and I prepared well, ma'am.
No. You are not looking nervous this time. I think you have prepared a lot for the interview, because while today when I conducted your interview, you were not looking nervous. Right? Any other doubt you have, you can ask.
No, ma'am, I don't have. Ma'am, they gave me timing 8:55 to 9:40. They will conduct a interview for that long time. 8:55 to 9:40.
Are you sure it was night only, no, not morning? Did you check it properly?
Yes, ma'am, night only, ma'am. Ma'am told that, ma'am, I asked her, ma'am, it is in the morning or in night? It's a late night because I am doing also work from home job. You can explain it in Telugu. Sometimes she told me that you can explain it Telugu when it comes to explanation. But otherwise, interview is in Telugu, English only.
So what you do is, when you have your mock interview, you have a demo session at that point of time, take the permission of the HR. Ma'am, if you don't mind, may I explain this chapter in Telugu? She will say yes. Then you can go ahead and explain in Telugu. That is your plus point. Right?
Okay.